Welcome back to Rev&RenderYT. Today we're looking at a car that could completely change the future of BMW's luxury lineup, the rumored 2027 BMW 9 Series. For years, the BMW 8 Series has represented the brand's flagship performance luxury coupe experience, but the automotive world is always moving forward. Now, BMW enthusiasts are looking toward a possible new generation of ultra-luxury vehicles that could take comfort, technology, and performance to an entirely different level. The 2027 BMW 9 Series represents the idea of what happens when BMW combines executive luxury with futuristic design and next-generation innovation. From the outside, the 2027 BMW 9 Series is expected to bring a more commanding presence than anything BMW has created before. Imagine a long, elegant body shape with a bold front grille, ultra-slim LED lighting, aerodynamic lines, and a design that blends the sportiness of BMW with the sophistication of a flagship luxury sedan. Every detail is expected to focus on creating a premium road presence. This would not just be a car designed to arrive at a destination, it would be designed to make an entrance. BMW's future design language could bring a cleaner, more futuristic appearance while still keeping the aggressive personality that fans love. Step inside the cabin, and this is where the 9 Series could truly separate itself from the competition. BMW's goal would be to create a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers. The interior could feature premium materials, handcrafted details, advanced digital displays, intelligent lighting, and next-generation connectivity. Rear passengers may receive luxury features similar to high-end executive vehicles, including comfortable seating, entertainment options, and advanced climate controls. The cabin would likely focus on combining technology with simplicity, giving drivers a futuristic cockpit while keeping the elegant BMW feel. Performance is where BMW's reputation comes alive. The 2027 BMW 9 Series could introduce advanced electrified powertrains, including powerful hybrid or fully electric options designed for instant acceleration and impressive efficiency. BMW has been investing heavily in electric technology, and a flagship model like the 9 Series could become a showcase for the company's future engineering. Expect smooth power delivery, intelligent all-wheel drive capability, advanced suspension systems, and handling that balances luxury comfort with the sporty driving experience BMW is famous for. Technology will also be one of the biggest highlights. A future BMW flagship could include advanced driver assistance systems, artificial intelligence features, enhanced voice controls, and a smarter connection between the vehicle and the driver. The 9 Series could become more than just transportation. It could become a digital luxury space on wheels. When it comes to pricing, a vehicle positioned above the 8 Series would likely enter ultra-luxury territory, competing with models from Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and other premium manufacturers. While exact pricing and specifications have not been officially confirmed, a flagship BMW of this level could easily become one of the most expensive vehicles in the BMW lineup. The possible arrival of the 2027 BMW 9 Series shows how the luxury car market is evolving. Buyers are no longer only looking for speed and style. They want technology, comfort, exclusivity, and a unique experience. If BMW delivers on this vision, the 9 Series could become a new symbol of modern luxury. What do you think? Could the 2027 BMW 9 Series become the ultimate BMW flagship? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Rev&RenderYT for more future car reviews and automotive updates.